to eradicate poverty and make our nation a partner in food sovereignty. Thank you very much. My regard to your president. I will find a way to honor the invitation, I assure you. The President of the Senate, represented by the Chairman of the Senate Committee on Agriculture, Speaker of the House of Representatives, here represented by the Chairman, House Committee on Agriculture, members of the National Assembly here present, state governors here present, particularly Governor Bago of Niger State, the former governor, and my son. Honorable Minister and Minister of State for Agriculture and Food Security, and other honorable ministers here present, particularly that of livestock, the chairman of our great party, the APC, Alhaji Umar Ganduje, food sovereignty. Let other party rivals know what you're very proud of today. Other executive members of our party, the members of diplomatic corps, all senior government officials, particularly as Executive Secretary Nalda Segun Adebayo. They are very good friends. The story must be clear here. Alex Singman, how are you? Thank you, congratulations. Thank you very much. When we were together if you even don't like Alex, to all of you, Alex was my very good neighbor and went to the same school with me in Chicago. Never did we dream that I would be in this position as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and Alex will be a successful businessman from Belarus to bring about a very successful collaboration and bilateral relationship that will promote economic prosperity and future of our two countries. Alex, thank you very much for everything. I believe our university will be very, very proud that we are doing this here today. The gentlemen of the press, the distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I could see the honorable ministers of finance and that of economy, planning, and other ministers here present. for the two to put their cap of planning together and make a successful transaction possible. I say thank you very much. God bless both of you. Today, we take a monumental leap forward with the introduction of the state-of-the-art through our Renew Hope Agricultural Mechanization Program. We are very proud of what we are doing. We made a promise when we came in. We are fulfilling that promise. Two years ago, I sounded the alarm on our nation's food security. The crisis, I demanded immediate and innovative solution. That urgent call is answered today in the first phase of it. This government recognizes that the agricultural productivity is synonymous with national stability and food sovereignty. The ability to nourish our population form the bedrock of a prosperous nation. Our ambition extends beyond mere self-sufficiency. We envision Nigeria as a global agricultural powerhouse, supplying quality produce to international markets while ensuring every citizen has access to affordable nutrition food. That's why we took a bold decision to establish this Renewed Hope Agricultural Mechanization Program. We are just beginning. Under this initiative, in addition to whatever they have at the subnational level as governors, whatever you have procured, we're also going to do more. While we have here over 2,000 advanced tractors, 50 industrial-grade land preparation bulldozers, 12 fully equipped mobile workshops, 9,000 plus specialized farming implements. This equipment, when deployed, to empower mechanization and service providers, create job opportunities, make farmers easy and more sexy to our younger. You don't have to use 18th century method for a 21st century agricultural farming. Our strategy encompasses year-round cultivation, drastically reducing our historical vulnerabilities to seasonal shortages. We have friends across the world. We have Belarus committed to a program that will empower our youths, teach them how to do things, get them off the street, empower them in technology, review mechanization, empower them in machine repairs and fabrications. The allocation of this equipment throughout the country will do a lot to give our nations abundant arable land and favorable climate that we have. We must seize the opportunity to achieve complete agricultural independence and food sovereignty. To all stakeholders receiving this equipment, deploy them with maximum efficiency. We will work with you. We will supervise you at various locations, and we will hold you accountable. Let history record this day as the beginning of a Nigerian's agricultural renaissance, where modern technology meet our farmers' legendary resilience to create unprecedented prosperity. I sincerely commend the Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security for their proactive efforts in addressing the food crisis and maintaining stability with our food system. We are not looking back on other programs to support you, but it is in your hand. It depends on you to really rededicate, ensure accountability, maintenance of this equipment, compliance with the necessary procedures. Together, we shall cultivate a future where Nigeria is not only sustain itself, but nourishes the world over. We are proud for what you are doing. Alex, I believe you are happy at what is happening here today. So more grease to your elbow. To the Prime Minister, thank you very much. It is my great honor to invite you over and join hands. And you must fulfill your promise of the continuous maintenance and training of our people. Thank you very much. God bless Nigeria.